Hello YouTube. Today, so my Mercedes threw a check engine light. I'll be checking it with this $100 scanner. It's showing a gas cap loose code, but it could be an evap leak. I just want to scan it for kicks, just to see what it's showing with this Bosch OBD scanner. Pretty basic. Paid $100 for it. Here the tool is in. I guess we gotta, I don't even know if it's even gonna read this car. There we go. Reading OBD codes, please wait. You might not. Oh, it says showing something. OBD codes, collecting data. It shows Mercedes Connect Limited. Mercedes Connect Service Limited, see operator's manual. 3 codes. OBD. ABS not detected. Evaporator permissions. That's why. Okay. Evaporator emissions. Permanent pending. To see if we can clear it. Take a photo of this. And we're gonna do erase codes. Yes. Enter. Erase codes. Command sent, 1 code remaining, so we're just gonna try to start it, and it has shown me no codes. Boom. I guess you can use this cheapo to get the codes off your AMG as well. Well, stay tuned for more hacks. I do probably need a new what's it called, gas cap, possibly. Maybe I have an evap leak somewhere, but I'll try to do the gas cap first. So far this car hasn't really had any issues. Knock on some piano lacquer. Yeah, so far so good. I do smell coolant from some places, but you know, it's I always smell coolant from these cars, and my coolant light is showing low coolant, but it's barely low, so I don't know if it's like seeping through or not. That's when I'm about to call the Mercedes dealer right now and see if it's still under warranty, CPO, because I bought it a year ago. So hopefully I'll record that story as well, what they say. Stay tuned, subscribe, hit the like button.